And this discussion is really about how are 14-year-olds able to go to a concert of that type of like hysteria, that type of violence, energy in the air. Like that's an R-rated concert. How is a 14-year-old allowed to go to a concert like that, but cannot go to the movie theaters that has violence, that's rated R, but you need a parent for. But for a concert, you don't need a parent. Something's not right.
He's 14 at that time.
Yeah, he shouldn't
And
be
then
there by himself.
also recording and watching it.
This is an NBA YoungBoy concert. This is different. It's not the same.
I would
I don't
never
know what y'all talking
let
about.
14 go to
I feel like you shouldn't even be able to get in that bitch without an adult.